Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode. So today it's a bit rainy outside, it's getting a bit cold. So what better than to cook a really nice hearty dinner. So today we are going to cook this wonderful piece of pork. We're going to be roasting some potatoes with the pork and just make this really delicious. So let's dive in. So the first thing we want to do before we start cooking the pork is just to score this skin. So as you can see here, we've got the layer of fat along the top, and we just want to try and get right down that skin, a nice sharp knife, not digging too deep into the meat, and just scoring that all the way through. And this allows for the flavors just to flow through. I'm going to try and keep this string on there. So you should end up with like a crisscross pattern, a bit like that. So once you've done that, you just want to add some salt. I'm just going to grind some of that on there. You want quite a bit because this helps to dry out the fat on the top and adds to that extra crackling flavour. And then we're also going to add some pepper, just a small amount of pepper, depending on how much of the flavour you like. Once we've done that, we're going to leave this to rest for roughly 2 hours, and then we're going to start cooking. Okay, so we've got our oven nice and hot, so we're going to go ahead and pop the joint into the oven. And then we want to kick that off at 225 for the first 20 minutes. And then after that, we're going to turn it down to 170. And this is it. Roast pork, roast potatoes, broccoli and peas. Let's dive in, see what it tastes like. I'm going to take a bit of the crackling, a bit of the meat. That is delicious, exceptional, and so easy to make as well. Amazing. So why don't you go ahead and give it a try and let me know in the comments how it went. And if you enjoyed this video, why don't you click the thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.